Hayden Yu with honors. Balarda Enzo M with honors. Domingo Lacandula D with honors.
Also, he will receive Outstanding Performance in Athletics STE Program, Best in Research, Gold Medalist, Cluster 4 Sports Meet, Lawn Tennis Men's Singles, Gold Medalist, Past Them Lawn Tennis Men's Singles, Teacher Coach Mr. Rizali G.U.
Dungka Angel Cyril C with honors.
He will also receive Silver Medal, Cluster 4 Sports Meet, Lawn Tennis Men's Singles, Teacher Coach Rizali G.U.
Garcia Ezekiel Lim N with honors. Mayo Ethan Ray R with honors.
He will also receive Best in Research, 6th place, Color Writing in English, Cluster 11, 7th place, Color Writing English, Division 11, Teacher Coach Mrs. Michelle C. Dizon.
Natividad Alexander Ethan Ray B with honors.
He will also receive 5th place, Color Writing English, Cluster 11, 7 with distinction awards as final round qualifier on international competitions of ISO Indonesia on English, General Knowledge, Geography, Science, and Social Sciences. Teacher coaches, Mrs. Michelle C. and Mr. Michael M. Flores.
Policarpio Ethan G. A with honors. Babula Daph Lizette T with honors.
She will also receive 2 Achiever Awards on international competition ISO Indonesia on Science and English, and 10 with distinction awards as final round qualifier on international competitions on ISO Indonesia on English and Science. Teacher coaches, Mr. Michael M. Flores and Mr. Mark Kevin Limanado.
Calagua Sian Haley R with high honors.
She will also receive 9 plates from Sudan Combalita Filipino Cluster Bronze. Philippine National Battle of the Wise. Single. Philippine National Battle of the Wise. 14 Achiever Awards on international competitions, ISO Indonesia on Science, Social Science, English, and Chemistry. 26 with distinction awards as final round qualifier on international competitions of ISO Indonesia and on English, Science, Natural Science, Social Science, Chemistry, and General Knowledge. Teacher coaches, Mr. Michael M. Flores and Mr. Mark Kevin D. Manal.
Punana Triana Faith N with honors.
She is also the recipient of Leadership Excellence Award.
Ay, gago ko pala sabihin sa vlog. Loko kanina kasi MP eh. Naya siya mag-bless.
Imakali Precious Amy Rose P with high honors.
Kami high lang eh. High lang kami. Tangin lang yan. Gago dami. Tangin na, tingnan mo, folder. Ay, di clear book ata.
Olympiad National Round 2025
Ha?
Science.
Oh.
Bronze Award
Ganito
in
ano, ang dami no.
Science and Maths Olympiad National Round 2025 in English. Silver Award in Philippine National Battle of the Wise Science. Silver Award in Philippine National Battle of the Wise English. Bronze Award in Academia of International Minds Biology. Silver Award in Academia of International Minds Biology titles. Silver Award in Academia of International Minds Health Science titles. 28 with distinction awards as final round qualifier on international competitions of ISAC Indonesia on English, Science, Biology, Chemistry, and Natural Science. Teacher coaches, Mrs. Mary Baby 1, Mr. Michael M. Flores, and Mr. Mark Kevin D. Manal.
Duya Jip Shea Q with highest honors.
Upang nila.
Outstanding performance in mathematics. Best in research. First place in class of 4 mathematics. Math quiz. Third place in National Mathematics Fair 2026. Math quiz. Fifth place, Richard G. Miss Casual Math Challenge 2026 High School Edition. Bronze award in National Supply and Quiz 2026. Bronze award in Upper Mathematics Competition National Round. Bronze award in
Bigat yan.
Mathematical Olympiad National
Gago.
Round. Silver award Philippine
Ang dami.
International Mathematics National Round. Silver award Second National Mathematics Challenge. Gold award International Mathematics Olympiad Competition of Southeast Asia
Dami, no?
National Round Mathematics. G Award, G Achievers Award on International Competitions ISAC Indonesia on English and 26 with distinction award. Skyward qualified on International Competitions ISAC Indonesia on English, Science, Chemistry, General Knowledge, and Mathematics. Silver Award Teacher Intelligence Student Olympiad International Round. And Gold Award Future Intelligence Student Olympiad
Gago na, naano yung kamay ko.
2026 Teacher Coach Mr. Mark
Aray.
Kennedy.
Oo.
Danya Kylie M. with honors.
She will also receive Silver Award Philippine National Battle of the Wise in English, Silver Award Asian Science and Maths.
Teman, kumag lang. Raulo. Ay naman, ang dami. Ikaw kumag lang. Oy, siya kumag lang. Puta ka. Makipicture ako. Nakita tayo isang tawag lang. Tayo isang tawag. Neil Toby Valencia. Bababa na agad.
Garcia Jeria N. with honors. Gomez Paula Delisi with honors.
Aray, gani.
She will also receive silver, plaster 4, singletry, sports league, lawn tennis, women's singles.
Gago, may 10 minutes na oh. Tingnan mo. Sa kanila lang. Oo. Hindi pa lang. Puta, isa atin lang mga 5 minutes lang. Gago, isa atin 5 minutes lang.
On English and Science. Teacher coaches, Mr. Rizal and Chiu, Mr. Garland Flores, and Mr. Mark W.D. Manalo.
Basta pumiyak si Sir Romel.
Sarah Sabria with honors.
She will also receive third
Lumalaban
place.
sila eh, international eh.
Ano, sa akin may individual akong pasdam, tsaka siguro nakuha ko lahat. Tsaka individual pa ka.
Sila international yung sa kanila eh.
7+7.
On international competitions of ice hockey
Naglara pa ako. Wala.
Teacher
May nagulit yan.
Mr. Dennis D.
Yan o.
Mr. Garland Flores, and Mr. Mark Kevin D. Manalo.
Padpak Ligay M. with honors.
4 with distinction awards as final round qualifier on international teacher coaches. Mr.
With high honors.
Outstanding performance in communication, English, STE program. Outstanding performance in social sciences, STE program. Best in research. Bronze award, Asian Science and Math Olympiads. National
baka hindi ka magawa.
2025. Silver award, Philippine National Battle of the Wise, English.
Tagal niya,
11
isa-isa.
awards on international
Puta nga, ang dami ng mga
competitions of Indonesia on English
Iniisa-isa rin.
chemistry. 24
Para matagalin.
distinction awards as final round qualifier
Pas.
on international competitions of ICE of Indonesia on English, Science, Chemistry, General Knowledge, and Social
Ang dami
Science.
na ako.
Teacher coaches, Mr. Wagner Flores and Mr. Mark Kevin B. Manalo.
Sobrang dami.
Oo.
C and type
Pre, maiyak-iyak na siya sa dami. Bigyan na tayo.
Tangina, pati na rin ako, nabibigyan na rin ako.
Ay, nagdalawa lang tayo no?
9 days copper reading and headline writing in English master level. Teacher coach, Mr. Rizali Chiu. Thank you so much, Dr. Robert H. Lowe. May we request now our guest speaker, Mr. Carl Arvinana, to assist us
Congrats.
in distribution
Ito
of
na, bibili na.